So our company is named Golden Asia and is since 1999, and we special in the hot chrome piston rods and the cylinders tube for the hydraulics. And with the ISO certification and global sales to the US, Europe, Japan, and Australia. Excellent product and reliable service. Golden Asia is your best partner in the fluid power industry. Basically, our product is hot chrome piston rods and is corrosion resistant, and the tubes will be high accuracies, so they can meet the strict industry standards. About our hot chrome piston rods, they can achieve about the 800 hours and rating 10 about the NSS testing and about 96 hours to the CAS testing. And about our tubes, the biggest diameter can be 1 meters and the longest can be the 13 meters. And both of them can be customized as you want. Usually our product, the hot chrome piston rods and the cylinder tube can be applied into the pneumatic or hydraulic cylinders. And it will be using in like a mining machine, agricultural machinery or forklifters, even the garbage truck, because they can use in any construction and development industry. That's why we can sell in many countries in the world. Taiwan is for the small and medium size for the enterprise because of all the good qualities. And Golden Asia has been honored with Potential Taiwan Middle Size Award by Taiwanese government. So which is give us a recognition for the good qualities and outstanding service. If they are looking for the best quality about the hot chrome piston rods and the cylinder tubes, check with Golden Asia. Golden Asia got your back.